How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Today I am very excited because this is in the morning. I don't usually film in the morning, but I was checking up on my brokerage and I'm going through some of the pre-market trading, and I see Tesla up 5% pre-market, and they're already nearing record highs. And I was thinking, what's going on here? So I hit the news button on WeBull. So link below if you want to get some free stocks with WeBull if you deposit $100. But they came out and they said, and Musk said this, that they're going to start volume production on semi-trucks. And this is something where they've been looking to get into this space for a while, but they just haven't done it yet. They've been talking about it, but it's pretty exciting to see this going through, and even just Musk tweeting something out or saying that they're going to start doing this. It's a very good sign for the future because this is a massive market, and as I've said before, some of Tesla's technology can really benefit the trucking industry. So they have self-driving cars, and when you think about how that could play out, drivers get paid to drive a lot of miles in the semi-truck business, and if they can mentally check out while they're driving and then just set up autopilot, which it's got to be very safe for them to be able to do that, but if they can do that, that's going to be huge. I think a lot of companies are willing to pay a lot of money for that because they'll get increased production out of their employees. So that's something to take into account. Now, if you're someone that has looked at buying Tesla before, I think that now is going to be a good time to do it, because if they start getting in the semi-truck market in the next year or two, that's going to be huge. That's going to be a big line of profit for them going forward. And there's just a lot of room in that market for electric vehicles. So right now, I believe that they're all ICE vehicles, so internal combustion engines in the semi-truck market. But it's going to be awesome to watch this going forward. I think Tesla is going to hit 1,000 today. It's really close right now, which is a big milestone. And I think that once a lot of people see that and possibly start running the numbers for how much revenue and net income they can make with this going forward, I think that's going to be huge. It's an interesting timing on this because right when all this is happening, this just happens to be about the same time that Nikola Motors, which I made a video on this today, they're going insane. So I'm going to post that video later, but their stock price is up huge over the last couple days, and they went from like a $25 stock just earlier this week or last week to doubling just on Monday. They did 100% increase, and then they went up another 8% yesterday. So those are just insane numbers, and they are touting themselves as the next Tesla, and their big claim to fame is that they have semi-trucks. And they also just came out with the fact that they're going to start producing the Badger, which is their pickup truck. So, there is some healthy competitions between these two manufacturers, but it's going to be interesting because Tesla is just at a whole different level than Nikola already. Nikola hasn't sold the car, they haven't mass-produced a car, and Tesla has shown that they're really close to profitability. But I'll link that video here after it actually goes up. Otherwise, just be on the lookout later today for that video. And I'm just really excited. I started buying Tesla a couple weeks ago because I finally figured out, and it finally clicked with me, that with great stocks, you don't really feel like they're at a good valuation for a very long time, if ever. When you look at Amazon, it's been at huge PE ratios for a very long time. When you look at other really high growth stocks, they've always traded at a high PE ratio, and sometimes you just never catch up. So I prefer to invest in stocks that are below like 25 PE ratio, but I don't know if Tesla will ever get there, and maybe not just in the next 10 years or so, but I think that it could double or triple or 5x in that time. So I'm just excited that I actually invested and I wasn't too squeamish about it. I also invested more when it went up to $900 a share, and that was just a week ago. So, if you haven't seen some of those videos, check them out. Otherwise, just subscribe. I really appreciate it, and please hit the like button. That pushes this video out to more people, and it really helps me out on my channel. So thank you guys for watching, and comment in the comments below what you think about this. Is Tesla going to 1,000? Is it going to 1,100 today? Let me know. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.